Checking out the air show at Albion Park. Just doing a sweep of the crowd here. And there's a lot of people here today. And it's been pretty awesome so far.
Store is Australia's leading enterprise dealer, specialising in DJI, taxing, microsense products and more. Whether you're in need of mapping, monitoring or agricultural solution, their expert
It's all good.
consultants will help you find the perfect drone and payload setup from their wide
There's some fantastic aircraft here today. They're all really cool. But the coolest one of all, apart from the F-35, and it's not the Canberra, that's a beautiful plane boat. The coolest one of all, and it's not the F-111, so that's not the coolest one either. I'll show you which was the coolest one. It's just down here. And it's a really wicked looking big 21. Have a go at this. Fantastic. What a beautiful aeroplane. Russian, of course. But what a fantastic aeroplane. I love these things. Just go back down to the end of it here. We've got a beautiful looking Mirage over here. And some great aircraft in the hangars. Back to the MiG, which looks just as good from any angle. And of course there's a really nice Sabre over here as well. But it's been a fantastic day. A really great day. Lots of people around. And the rain stayed away, so how cool is that? Okay, I'm signing off now. Bye bye.